Welcome to Example Program YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how we can write a simple C program to check whether a person is eligible for voting or not. This will be a very simple program, and here we will be using the if-else conditional statement. In India, if a person is 18 or older than 18, then he or she can vote. If the age is less than 18, then he or she can't vote. Here in this program, we will ask the user to enter the age value. Then we will compare that age value and we will display the appropriate message. So now let us declare the variables that we need in our program. And in this program, we need only one variable, and that is for storing the age value entered by the user. So here I'm going to take integer type of variable and I will call it as age. And after that, we can ask the user to enter the age value. So I'm going to use the printf function in here, and the message will be enter age. Now after seeing this message, the user will enter his age, and we can read that by using the scanf function. And here the format specifier will be %d because we are reading an integer value and we want to read that value and we want to store that in this age variable. So we will specify the address of the age variable for this scanf function. Okay, now we have the age value of the user. Now we can check whether the user is eligible for voting or not. So here we will be using the if conditional statement, and the condition for if here will be if the age variable is containing a value which is greater than or equal to 18. In that case, the person is eligible for voting. So we will use the printf function and we will say you can vote. Else, if the age variable is containing a value which is less than 18, then it means that the person is not eligible for voting. So we will use the printf function and we will say you can't vote. Okay, here if this if condition is evaluated to true, then this printf function will be executed. If the if condition is evaluated to false, then the printf function in the else part will be executed. Now here we have written this simple program. Let's run this. Enter age, I'm gonna say 22. It says you can vote. That's because age is greater than 18. And if I run it one more time, enter the age, I'm gonna say 18, you can vote. If I run it one more time and if I enter 17, then it says you can't vote. So a very simple program where we are using the if-else conditional statement to produce the result. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.